A minimal viable product, or MVP, is a development strategy used to introduce a new product or service with enough features to attract early adopters. The concept focuses on minimizing the initial investment in product development by launching with the essential features that meet the core needs of its users. This approach allows companies to gather feedback from the product's initial users and iterate based on actual usage and behavior. The benefit of using an MVP approach lies in its efficiency and effectiveness. It reduces the time and resources spent on developing features that customers might not want. This methodology is particularly valuable in industries where speed to market is crucial, such as technology and software development. It allows companies to test their business hypotheses with minimal risk and adapt quickly to changing market demands. The concept of the MVP came into prominence with the lean startup movement, popularized by Eric Ries. It is based on lean manufacturing principles which emphasize waste reduction and efficiency. Applying an MVP is most useful in sectors that are fast-paced and innovation-driven, where user feedback and continuous improvement are critical. It is also beneficial in startup environments where resources are limited and obtaining quick market validation is essential. Thanks for watching.